that shit up high. But fuck, motherfucker. Fuck you doing? Fuck. What's going on, everybody? Mowdy Rides here, bringing you another video. And in today's video, well, first of all, let me just start by saying I am sorry for lagging on the posts. I've been up in Big Bear. Well, actually, nah. At first, I've had time, but I was going to sell the bike, but the buyer didn't come through. And then I left to Big Bear on Friday. Today is Monday. So finally, I'm gonna start getting back on that recording grind. I just need, video ideas. But on today's video, obviously, by the title, you guys know it's how to shift gears without a clutch. I call it clutchless shifting. So that's what I'm gonna teach you guys. Clutchless shifting. Some people say it fucks up your transmission, some people say it fucking doesn't. I don't fucking know, bro, honestly. I don't think it does. Alright, so clutchless shifting. Obviously in the name, it's clutchless. So you're not gonna use your clutch to shift gears. You're just gonna use basically your throttle, right? But, before you guys try it, just saying, it could mess up your transmission, it could not. I'm not a fucking mechanic or shit, But if it does, I would guess it's like rev matching. So people say it messes up your engine prematurely. It may be the same thing. Probably not your transmission, but just the clutch plates. That's probably what just messes. I don't know. Honestly, you guys will have to do research on that shit. But I honestly don't know if it messes it up or not. But only time I would use it is just if I'm cruising. You can also upshift and downshift. I'll show you guys both. But I only just use it when I'm chilling, obviously. Chilling, no cars in front of me or none of that. And I know where I'm going. I'm just relaxing. Like right there, I just did it. You saw my hands gonna be over here. But yeah, my car fucking turned off crazy. What time is it, everybody? Modelo time. Modelo, fuck. I drink a shit ton of beer and I felt like shit yesterday, man. That shit did not feel good. Alright, so basically this is how you guys are gonna do it, right? You guys are going, the only time I do it is from second gear up. I don't do it from first to second because on my bike, I don't know if it's the same on all bikes, but on my bike it jerks me a little bit. So if you guys want to practice from second up so you won't get scared with the little jerk that first and second gives you. But let's say you're going right, and when you're gonna shift gears, you release the throttle, holding the clutch, shift gears, release the clutch, and give it throttle. It's a bunny. Aww. Oh, I should probably move that off the road. Man, whatever. But yeah, you guys know how you guys do that, right? You'll shift gears, you basically let go of the throttle, holding the clutch, shift up, release the clutch, and give it gas. So instead of using the clutch, you're still gonna do the same thing with the throttle, right? Sorry, I have a fucking fucked up throat. So basically what you will do, you're gonna, once you give off the throttle, right when you give off the throttle, kick it up gear or down, whatever. But first we're gonna practice up. So let me downshift real quick, okay? So you're gonna be going right. I'm giving the throttle, my RPMs are steady, right? You guys can see my RPMs are steady. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let go of the throttle, kick it up into fifth gear, and then I'm gonna give it throttle again. So I'm gonna let off, kick up, give it. Just like that, it's that simple. Let off the throttle, kick it up right when you let it off, kick it up into the gear, and then give it throttle again. Just like that. It may take some time getting used to. I never really noticed that I would do it, but I do it. But it's that simple. Same way it goes for downshifting. You're gonna let off the throttle and kick it down. Just like that. Let off the throttle, kick it down. Let off the throttle and kick it down. So just so you guys know, I'm gonna go down to fourth gear. Hands right here, right? My hands right here on the windshield like a badass. And I'm gonna let go of the throttle, kick it up into 5th gear, and give it throttle again. And I'm gonna do the same thing for 6th. Just like that. It's that simple. It may take, you know, some time getting used to it, but once you get used to it and you're just cruising legit just how I am, it'll come in handy. Like, you won't have to like reach, go back, reach, go back. You won't have to do all that shit. So it'll come in handy once in a while. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to smack that like button. Comment down below any video ideas, you know, constructive criticism on my videos. Subscribe if you're new. I'll try to get back on track on posting videos. But yeah, Mighty Rise, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they said it up, I got them on.